Hello guys, welcome to this channel. I'm your host Harry. So today news is Indian researcher discover cosmic collision. Researchers from the Indian Institute of Astrophysics discovered the rare occurrence while studying the galaxy pair NGC 7734 and NGC 7733. In major breakthrough, Indian researchers have discovered three supermassive black holes merging together to form a triple active galactic nucleus. The black holes have been spotted at the center of recently discovered galaxy that increases the possibility of further detecting such a rare occurrence. The study, published as a letter in journal Astrophysics, was intended to investigate the nature of nucleus emission from galaxy in interacting pair NGC 7733 NGC 7734. That's all in this video. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe.